Two active thunderstorms that I want to highlight. This one that's very close to LaBelle, getting closer to Lehigh, and then this one that's moving into southern Charlotte County, starting to overtake Punta Gorda. Those are the two that we're obviously most concerned about as far as thunder and lightning goes. After we get past sunset, I think that should be it as far as any significant thunderstorms. But let's go to Storm Patrol Viper and show you how these showers are moving. Sea breeze kicked in today. We had a lot more moisture close to the atmosphere. So even though things are drier at the upper levels, we're seeing some pretty good downpours. Not moving all that quickly, but generally moving back toward the coast, kind of moving from the southeast to the northwest. Let's zoom in and use our street level mapping. Here's one that's just starting to overtake Marco. This one did have a little thunder and lightning. Can't rule out a few lightning strikes, but they should be fairly limited. This is an active thunderstorm. There, right there is the Punta Gorda Airport, right where my finger is, so you can get an idea exactly where that rain is moving right now. Port Charlotte, you're likely going to get some of that rain after about 7 o'clock this evening. Here's the other active thunderstorm. LaBelle, the rain just kind of brushed you. The heaviest rain staying to the south, but this is moving in the general direction of Lehigh. This one should stay mainly east of I-75. So showers and thunderstorms gradually decreasing. They should be done by 10 o'clock this evening. 79 degrees by 10 o'clock tonight, 76 degrees by 5 a.m. Even though it felt much more humid today, we actually had drier air in place. That's the darkness here on the water vapor imagery. That's the reason why the thunderstorms today still somewhat isolated, not everybody getting wet. That's going to be something that changes as we look toward the next few days. We've got a lot of things to keep our eyes on in the tropics and things that are going to change our weather locally. Here's meteorologist Michelle Cunningham with more.
That's right. We have been watching this upper level low pressure system dragging in some drier air in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. So as Jim mentioned, it has decreased our shower chances, and tomorrow going to be fairly dry with pretty much the same pattern we saw today, mainly isolated, building back toward the coast once that sea breeze kicks in tomorrow. So we are looking at some changes coming up over the next couple of days. So this is tomorrow, and you can see winds are light and variable for the first part of the day, and then we will get that sea breeze developing in the afternoon, and we'll start to see those showers developing. And then as we put it into motion on Thursday, what's going to happen, that's when some deep tropical moisture, we talked about the tropical wave moving across the Caribbean. Well, deep tropical moisture, this is Thursday morning, so we already have the chance for some showers. And look, when the wind arrows are a little bit more elongated, that means that the winds are a little bit stronger. So we could see some gusty winds as well, and it really fires up on Thursday, moves from the south toward the north with some really good rain chances and kind of a double dose on Thursday. On Friday, more moisture moving in from the Gulf as this tropical wave continues to make its way toward the north. It gets picked up by a trough of low pressure, kind of scoots across the peninsula, and so we get hit not only Thursday, we get hit Friday, and then a lot of moisture in place, so chances for the rain are going to be good on Saturday as well. So this is 9:15 on Friday night, and you can still see some moisture north of the Caloosahatchee River. So we've been dry for the next couple of days. After tomorrow, we are going to see a major increase in rain. Partly cloudy tomorrow. It's going to be another hot day across southwest Florida. In Fort Myers this afternoon, it felt like it was 113 degrees at one point. So with temperatures in the harbor zones reaching about 93 degrees for our high tomorrow, it's going to feel very, very warm throughout the area. Chance for afternoon isolated storms on our beaches tomorrow. If you are doing some boating, southeasterly winds turning onshore in the afternoon. So mainly isolated tomorrow. We're going to go with a 30% chance tomorrow, becoming more numerous, and then some deep tropical moisture with some heavy downpours Thursday, Friday, and even a little leftover moisture into Saturday. And of course, anytime